it's Simon Murphy here at mymortgagedeal.co.uk, and I'm here to help you buy, refinance or release equity from your UK property wherever you live worldwide. And in this episode I'm going to answer the question, up to what age can you apply for and have a mortgage to? I'll hopefully see you in a couple of seconds. Thanks for joining us. So that question, up to what age can you apply for and have a mortgage to? Hopefully be able to answer that for you in this episode. It really does depend on the type of mortgage that you apply for. There are two different tracks of mortgage. The first track is for a mortgage for a property that you plan to use and live in yourself, for you or your family. And this is often called a residential mortgage. What does that mean? Well, that means that you have sole use of it yourself and you don't plan to move out of it and rent it out. In this particular case, lenders will base their assessment of the mortgage on your income. Income meaning your employed income, self-employed, or perhaps from pension income. The other factor involved in this first track of the mortgage, is the age that you will likely be able to maintain that income for. Now, often that age is set by lenders to the maximum declared retirement age, which in most lenders' cases is age 70. In some cases it can be up to age 75. So what's the takeaway from this? Well, the first track of or type of mortgage is a residential mortgage. It's based on your income, and the maximum age you can take it up to is up to age 75, or in some rare cases up to age 80. The second type of mortgage, or the second track, is the buy-to-let mortgage. So that is when you're planning to purchase a property in order to let it out. How do lenders assess that? Well, they base the assessment not on your income per se, but on what the likely rental yield from the property will be. So there's a specific calculation that lenders will use to do this, and we can certainly help you in finding out what that maximum is. The other factor is, what is the age? Well, it's less of a concern to lenders when it comes to letting your property out. And in fact, there are some lenders that will let you do a buy-to-let mortgage up to age 80, and some even up to age 99. Fancy that, having a mortgage to age 100. So hopefully I've explained the two tracks of mortgages, a residential mortgage or a buy-to-let mortgage. In a residential mortgage case, up to age 75, maximum 80. And in a buy-to-let mortgage case, well, really the sky's the limit in terms of age. You can take it up to age 85 or even up to age 99 with some lenders. Some people have asked me in the past, well, what if I want to rent it out and use it because I'm an expat? I want to be able to rent it some of the time and use it for my own personal use. Now, that's a very specific, different type of mortgage, and hopefully you can join me on one of the other episodes where I can explain that for you. So thanks for tuning in to mymortgagedeal.co.uk. I hope you find this useful. Please subscribe or like so that we can provide you with further updates. And as always, it's always useful to the community if you can comment or ask any questions. We'll be pleased to help you. Thanks very much for tuning in. See you on the next episode.